Buenos dias and good morning. Welcome to the Diff Family Vlog. Good morning, we got a bell.
Yeah, getting some sausage here.
He's busting out the sausage again.
Good morning.
That's good.
What's up, Judah? How you doing?
All right, morning. That's good. That's good, man.
Hey, good
We
morning,
got
Nick.
Fernando, we got Walter busting out the
putting
eggs.
these eggs together.
Yeah.
On the Lord's
and the
Day.
season comes in.
Yeah,
It
little
comes
pepper.
Oh man, we love that pepper. We love. Morning, Gatimo.
Good morning.
You working on the peppers?
Um.
Are you doing more eggs?
over there?
All right, all right. And this is leftover day. If you've done any camping, so we're doing everything. We got steak and eggs. We got
Yeah,
this and that.
We call it the kitchen sink. Whatever is left over, we serve it today.
And call me the garbage disposal. 'Cause I will eat it. Whatever you put up in that sink, I will turn it around and make sure it is gone.
Rosemary red potatoes for hash browns. Good to
Ooh,
go.
man, you thought those little McDonald's things was the way to go. This is how he rolls it out.
That's how he rides.
That was the start. That was just revving the engine.
No.
Oh man. Yeah. Anybody who's in the Bay Area this time next year, you know where to go.
Yeah.
Come to the father-son camping trip.
Come on out.
Safe and secure from all along. Everyone needs compassion, a love that's never failing.
It says, forget not all his benefits. Has God given you any benefits in your life?
So that was it. Men's father-son retreat. Yeah, that's how we do it. This is the insanity. Every trip, they always get a photo, and it's good, but it's just insanity.
We're real tight.
Trying to get this many men to obey and listen to instruction is hard, especially when you got some of these that are actually doing pretty good. Hey, Gino, you had a good time? All right. Right? Had a good time?
Yes, it was great.
All right.
Good food and
Simon,
fellowship.
you had a good time?
I did.
Stefan? All right. Lance, had a good time?
Good time.
All right. And after a while, staying bent down, your knees are hurting, your legs are cramping. How's that knee on them rocks?
Oh, it's wonderful.
Say goodbye to the water. You're never going to see it again. So that was it. That was the father-son camping trip. We are now on our way home. And we ended off with a good time of prayer. Group picture. Robert, what was your favorite part?
I enjoyed teaching Robert how to play chess, and I enjoyed eating good food and fellowshipping with other men.
What was your revelation that you had about the weekend?
That we could have done all that same stuff at a hotel and had a lot of fun and eaten at restaurants, but it was still fun here.
I enjoyed almost
It was way more dirty.
But it wouldn't have been $35. Okay, AJ, what was that?
I enjoyed almost beating Robert with my king.
Oh, in chess?
Yep.
Robert, what was your favorite part?
Sleeping in the sleeping bags.
All right. Dominique, what was your favorite part? All right, I'll do Robert.
Robert, you're on film. Can't move.
I'm doing the
We are about 45 minutes away from home. Bobby is graciously going to drop us off at the house. Kelly's apparently out with the rents. There's Robert, right there, kind of hiding. And it's gonna feel good. Bobby, what's the first thing that you're gonna do when you get home?
Take a shower.
Robert, only 19 more
I
miles.
love showers.
Not gonna say hi to his wife. You're just gonna beeline it for the shower. Robert, what's the first thing that you're gonna do when you get home?
Okay.
AJ, what's the first thing you're gonna do when you get home?
Play video games. Well, actually, I'm gonna jump. I haven't really played video games for 3 days. First thing I'm gonna do is actually jumping.
Dom, what are you gonna do when you get home?
Lightsaber.
What does he say?
Lightsaber.
Oh, lightsabers. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to give my wife a hug and a kiss. The second thing I'm gonna do is put all of my stuff on the floor and go right under the shower and scrub very hard and very long
Look
with
at my
very,
hair.
very hot water.
Look at my new hair.
And then I will go take a nap.
New hair. It's actually
And then chances are I'm gonna be working in the backyard.
No, that's
the top
okay.
and across the side. I just asleep. I mean, Daddy.
Papa. Hey, babe. How's your time?
I ate that. Dad was chicken. Dad was chicken.
Oh, how's my dirty baby?
It was a sweet.
Beso, beso, beso. Beso, beso.
You get daddy basis. You get daddy basis. You get daddy basis. He hasn't had a nap yet today. He fell asleep for like 5 minutes on the way. He's so sassy when we're down. Should we put the boys in? Let me go sleep. Adrian, how was the tent? Was the tent so fun?
It was blue, and we saw a different blue a tent
You got
like ours.
Dominic,
It was the same shape of ours. Actually, two. Sorry. I said, Dad said, well, this us to send this for
Okay.
the car,
For the car? Okay.
and I didn't get to use it.
Oh my goodness.
Plus, I might use this for Applejack's.
Just to have the box. That's fun.
Applejack's delivery truck.